Ever wondered who drives the team towards success, your project manager or product manager? Or maybe you've asked who's really in charge here. This is one of the most confusing areas in the business world. If you've ever felt unsure about the differences between these two roles, don't worry, you're not alone. You might think these roles are interchangeable, but they are vastly different in scope, focus, and responsibilities. In this video, we'll break it down step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly who does what. Before going forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Now, let's get started. First thing first, let's get clear on what each role means. The project manager's job is to make sure that everything runs smoothly. They focus on delivering a project within a specific scope, budget, and deadline. Think of them as timekeepers and organizers. On the other hand, a product manager is like the visionary for the product. They focus on what the product will be and why it's valuable to the customer. They define the roadmap and guide the development to meet market needs. Next, let's talk about focus. A product manager is all about the vision and strategy for a product. They work on creating products that align with what customers need and what the business can deliver. Think of them as the person who asks, "What product should we build?" A project manager, on the other hand, focuses on making sure everything runs smoothly during the project. They ask, "How can we deliver this on time, on budget, and with high quality?" It's all about execution and delivery. Next, let's talk about scope. A product manager oversees the entire product lifecycle. From concept to development to market introduction and beyond, they are involved in every stage of the product's journey. A project manager handles a specific project or initiative within that lifecycle. They focus on delivering specific goals, like getting a new feature out or completing a marketing campaign. Their scope is much more defined and time-bound compared to the broader role of the product manager. When it comes to timeframes, the distinction is also clear. A product manager works with a long-term perspective. They are constantly thinking about the product's future and how it needs to evolve over months or even years. In contrast, a project manager works on a short to medium-term basis. Their job is to manage projects that last weeks, months, or sometimes up to a year. Once the project is done, they move on to the next one. Now, let's break down the skills required for each role. A product manager needs strong skills in market research, strategy, and product design. They must understand customer needs, analyze market trends, and make decisions that will drive the product forward. On the other hand, a project manager excels in planning, scheduling, and risk management. Their role requires excellent organizational skills and the ability to foresee and mitigate potential issues that could derail a project. But how do these roles measure success? For a product manager, success is measured by things like customer satisfaction, market share, and return on investment, ROI. It's about the product's performance and how well it meets business goals. A project manager is evaluated on on-time delivery, budget adherence, and quality. Their success depends on whether the project they're managing is completed efficiently and meets the specified criteria. Another important distinction is whom they interact with. A product manager collaborates with customers, cross-functional teams, and executives. They need to ensure that every decision aligns with both the company's strategic vision and customer needs. Meanwhile, a project manager works closely with team members and project stakeholders to ensure that each task is progressing as planned and that everyone is aligned on the project goals. Last but not least, let's talk about their roles in the bigger picture. A product manager plays a strategic role. They are the visionaries behind the product, ensuring that it grows and adapts in response to market needs. A project manager, however, has a more tactical role. They focus on the nuts and bolts of project delivery, making sure all the pieces fall into place to meet deadlines and budget requirements. So, which path is for you? If you love structure, timelines, and getting things done on schedule, project management might be your calling. But if you're more into creating a vision, working on big ideas, and solving customer problems, product management could be your path. Now that you know the difference between a project manager and a product manager, here's the big question. Which one do you think plays a bigger role in business success? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button to let us know. And don't forget to subscribe. We have more exciting videos coming your way about career growth, management tips, and everything you need to thrive in today's business world. Check out the links in the description for our comparison videos.